Hey guys, this is Mansi from Posherry.com. Welcome back to our channel. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. I know it's been a while since our last video. We've just been very busy with our blog and setting up our newly launched website. If you already haven't checked it out, please do, Posherry.com. Today's video is going to be a DIY video and it will include these cute little guys. We all have them, we all love them. It's the EOS chapsticks. But what do you do when they get over? That's the worst feeling because they're super cute and you don't want to let them go to waste. What we're going to do is show you how to convert them into your new cream contour and highlight kit. If you want to know how, keep watching. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I think definitely out of the two, the highlighter was my favorite product. Other than that, very happy with the product. Really great way to use these empty containers. Yeah, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.